This is an incandescent light. Incandescent lamps are often considered the least energy efficient type of electric lighting commonly found in residential buildings. Although inefficient, incandescent lamps possess a number of key advantages. They are inexpensive to buy, can be turned on easily, and are available in many shapes and sizes. A halogen lamp is a type of incandescent lamp with a capsule that holds a special halogen gas composition around the heated filament. They are more energy efficient than standard incandescent bulbs, but more costly. Halogen lamps may also have a special inner coating that reflects heat back into the capsule to further improve efficacy by recycling the otherwise wasted heat. Together, the filling and coating recycle heat to keep the filament hot with less electricity. Halogens are a little bit more expensive than standard incandescent lamps, but are less expensive to operate. Heat mainly escapes through windows, which shows up as the bright colors when using the heat monitor. Additionally, heat may escape through hidden cracks or gaps throughout the house. In order to remedy this problem, the EPA recommends that the windows and ceilings be sealed and insulated. They even have a do-it-yourself guide on installing insulation for us to use. Speaking of windows, the easiest way to get light into your house is through natural light or sunlight. Just reach out and let the natural light into your house by opening the window or opening the blinds. In addition to making the room brighter, the natural sunlight stimulates the production of vitamin D in your body, making you more happy. However, the fact that makes me the most happy is that this kind of light is free and can be used by anyone. You will be pleasantly surprised at how much brighter your room can be and how much brighter you will be. It is a known fact that developed countries waste large amounts of energy. In the United States alone, lots of energy is wasted through the use of energy inefficient systems and poorly designed or poorly insulated houses. General improvements in efficiency can be achieved through reduced energy use, improving the energy efficiency of processes, appliances, and vehicles, and increased use of public transportation. $241 billion is used each year to keep the house comfortable. The money goes into basic necessities such as the washer, cooking, heating, and cooling systems. The outcome of such energy use ejects an estimated 1.2 billion tons of gas into the atmosphere. So-called phantom energy is the electricity drawn from outlets when equipment is off but still plugged in. Many types of electronics and office equipment, including computers, stereos, and printers, continue to draw electricity when they're plugged in and off. Phantom energy can account for 50% or more of the total electricity usage. The best thing to do is to unplug these electronics, but many people don't, however, because of the hassle and time involved with rummaging under the desk or behind shelves for the plug. Experts recommend using power strips and hooking multiple items into them, so one can just flick one switch and turn everything off at once. Keep in mind, some electronics stay plugged in all the time and may only get used a couple hours a week or less, so even if the phantom energy draw is small, it can add up. I would like to introduce something I like to call logical fashion. Take this guy for example. He is practicing logical fashion. It is almost 110 degrees outside. Instead of wearing the fashionable black, he logically decides to wear a white shirt and white shorts, which are both great for cooling off. The color white is great for reflecting light, while the color black is great for absorbing light. However, a kind of backwards thinking has been going around. Some people, like this fellow here, are adamant of wearing shorts and a t-shirt when it is winter time. That is illogical. As a result, he pleads and pleads to have the heater on. Instead of turning on the heater and wasting this energy, he should have worn the proper attire for the proper season. Maybe he wouldn't have ended up frozen as he did here.